We as a Federal Democratic Movement, FDM leadership, we are saying the issue why commodities of goods, prices of cooking oil and other amenities keeps on increasing every day is due to the failure for the two political leaders to negotiate on a dialogue so that they find an everlasting solution on how they can help in resolve the challenges the country is facing. Because the other leadership has used the privilege of the shares that he owns in all the corporate companies, because in his business he owns almost half of the economy of the country and the shares. Now, the ruling government, which is the PF leadership, also has had a few mismanagement. And now the two aspects have made the people to suffer severely. And now, if these people were going to sit on a dialogue, they were going to negotiate. Say, look, the system that you are using, you are making the people to suffer. I think let's make a way how we helping our people, because it is not just forming government because you can offer the best solution, but it's about thinking about the people, the poor. So the two battles that have been taking place has made the people to suffer, and this is the reason why we as Federal Democratic Movement, we are going to put in price control, and the price control is going to help in the country to have fair prices, which will give privilege for the poor to manage their living. And if that is done, then we will see that the livelihood of our citizens will be a little bit much better. But as we see a situation now, before the 12th of August, the prices of goods are likely to double 3 times from the current one. It is not the issue of just the Zambian kwacha falling down. It's not only the fluctuation of the kwacha on the international market. No, it's the system which is political. It's a system that needs to be changed. This is the reason why we as Federal Democratic Movement, when we form government this year, if the Zambian people feel that they need to vote for us, because we have made a number of discoveries, we are going to introduce federal price control, which will be under the federal government of 2021. And this is what will help the Zambian people to have buying goods at a fair price, because this is severe suffering that has been put and made the people to suffer. They cannot even manage. The poor can't even manage. So we are going to provide such adjustment. We as Federal Democratic Movement, we are saying, you Zambians, wake up. The two leadership have caused you to suffer, and indirectly they all pretend like they can help you. So wake up and open your eyes and look to FDM and federal government of 2021. Because when we form government this year, to be called federal government. And this is the reason why the Zambian people need to vote for Federal Democratic Movement and their new leader, Pastor Joshua Kony Matanga, who is going to provide an alternative. This is just a current discovery we have made. Now, if the PF leadership and the president and the UPND leadership don't sit and make a negotiation, reconcile, then they don't stand any chance to provide any alternative to the Zambian people. And the Zambian people should completely turn away from them, because they are not helping them. Whether they are going to fund a lot of money for COVID-19, the issue still stands. Even before COVID-19, the economy had a challenge. So we're not going to run and hide in the COVID-19 as we are not buying any excuse to say because there have been COVID-19. We know there's COVID-19, there are people dying, but we still know even before that, the economy had still challenges because of dishonest among our leaders. So because also the opposition were not providing an alternative, they kept on quarreling. So time has been wasted. There have been no much balance, checks and balances provided. And we as FDM, we are saying, Zambia, you need to change government. And the way you are not going to change government is to go in for a neutral party that will give you solution. So vote for Federal Democratic Movement. That will give you economic sense, that will give you economic reform, and that will also give you a direction. So we are going to lead both the UPND leadership and the PF leadership. They seem to have no direction. And now this is the direction we will give them. And if they have any queries, they are ready, they are free to ask, and we give them answers, because we have planned and we have done a research. So we are among the best in the opposition, because we have got the best strategic plan for the people of Zambia, for the country of Zambia, and for its citizens, because we will make sure that the shares that were run by a few individuals will now be channeled into the national treasury, so this country is going to have enough money. And when there's enough money, which means there will be new jobs. When there's new jobs, it means now people are going to live a free life. Right as we are talking now, it is hard. There's a slightly less hope now with those that are leading us, a future of employment for our youth. There's no hope. So we are going to provide hope. 40 companies that we are going to introduce after we have formed the government, if the Zambian people vote for us in leadership this year, because we are FDM, Federal Democratic Movement, and Pastor Joshua Cornhill Matanga, and 7 Stars. When we emerge our victory this year, then the Zambian people are going to see new jobs, because in our strategic plan we have got 40 companies. And how are we going to deal with this system? All these companies that have been corruptly obtaining contracts from government, we are going to remove them, and we are going to bring in a system that will allow the country to run state companies, produce goods in our manufacturing, new manufacturing companies, and export directly. And also we allow investors that will come and run independently. We're not going to change anything, but we are going to change policies that will help in to shape systems. And also we ensure that our citizens in our private sector are well paid for, and that there is pensionable packages. Unlike the system of casualization, we are removing every casualization system. So we, as Federal Democratic Movement, we are going to help out our citizens. And those who are in civil service, we are going to bring in a negotiation system that will make them to have a normal increase of salaries, and will reduce also the unnecessary taxes and reduction, so that they can be able to manage. So thank you so much. God bless Zambia. God bless the citizens. This is your incoming president, Federal Democratic Movement, Pastor Joshua Cornhill Matanga. Be ready to cast out your vote on this coming 12th August and for general election. Thank you.